Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open LitMedia AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on the try for free button in the top right corner and click on the login button from the top right corner again. You can either sign up with your personal Google account, Facebook account, or email address. It's completely up to you. But for this video, I'll go with email and use a temporary email. So click on the email option and then select sign up. Here you'll need to enter an email address. So go back to temp mail, copy the email address and paste it into LitMedia AI. Add a strong password. Confirm the same password you entered above. And then finally click on sign up button. After successfully logging in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on the gift icon from the top menu bar and then click on check-in. As you can see, we are awarded 20 free daily credits. Now select AI video from the left menu bar. Here you can access image to video, extend video, text to video, AI music video, or add an effect into your existing video as well. So let's try text to video. Here you can choose different video models such as Lit AI, Seedance, Vidu, Kling, Grok, VEO, and many more. But for this tutorial, I'll go with Lit AI and Lit AI 5.5 model. Below that, you'll need to enter your prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. So simply open ChatGPT and give your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into LitMedia AI. Underneath, you can choose the video duration, number of generated results, video quality, aspect ratio, and whether you need audio or not, and finally click the create button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign up for LitMedia AI using your personal Google account, personal Facebook account, or personal email address. It's completely up to you. With this free tool, LitMedia AI provides a daily free credits reward, which allows you to create free AI videos without a subscription, like only one video, depending on the video model and setting you choose. If you want to create more videos or generate longer video content, I suggest using a temporary email service to sign up. Once your credits are used up with one account, you can sign up again using a different email address and receive more free credits. You can also use different Google accounts to sign up and get additional free generations. This way, you can continue generating AI videos as long as the platform continues offering its current free generation system or until it becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video with LitMedia AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.